What is up guys, Arolf here, and today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Azio MK Mac Backlit mechanical keyboard. Now this runs about $100 retail, but I price matched it down to $86 at Fry's, which is great. I'm just looking around the box really quickly. So nicely padded keyboard. What you get inside is an armrest and a user guide. Just going through it really quickly here, as well as the happy or troubled. So this is Azio's way of contact information. So if you're happy or troubled with it, just contact them through that card. Now this specific keyboard, it's not stated on the box, but it is using a Cherry MX Brown key switches, so you get a more clacky tactile feel to it other than a clicky compared to the Cherry MX Blue. Now on the back of the keyboard you get these little flip up tabs that will elevate this keyboard for a more ergonomic feel, which I think it's better than the lay flat feel. Now you can see the F5 and F6 will adjust the color brightness. Now what you see on the screen right now, it seems like this keyboard, the backlit keyboard is moving, but it's not. It's actually the camera settings in my camera by using a 23 frames per second. But you can see here the caps has the indicator to show if the caps is on and off. Your F10 through 12 key switches are the sound button, but they do also provide a automatic or a dedicated mute switch and a scroll sound wheel, which is convenient. Now one cool feature is the F13 switch. When you press that, all the lights turn off. Now you could just type normally if you're in the daytime just typing. Now press it again. Now each key that you press lights up, which is really cool. I never experienced this with any keyboard other than the chroma key right there. You can see how crazy I'm pressing it. Now one of the keycaps here, just taking a closer look, the font is clear and you can see how malleable or kind of flimsy it is, but I have trust in Azio that these will hold up as time passes by. Now the final verdict, if you really like backlit mechanical keyboards, like if you like that PC type going over to the Mac, I would say go ahead, get it. Now if you want something durable, sleek, and just plain old cool for the Mac, now this is the keyboard that's available only for the Mac. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, that is it guys. Arolf signing out. Peace.